Hello, everyone, and welcome to our AI-inspired PowerPoint course. In today's fast-paced digital world, where the demand for creativity and productivity is higher than ever, it's essential to harness the power of AI to stay ahead. This course is designed to empower beginners like you, regardless of your technical background. You'll learn how to leverage AI to boost your skills, enhance your productivity, and become competent in a wide range of tasks. While our primary focus is on using ChatGPT and PowerPoint, we'll also explore other powerful tools to expand your creative toolkit. The course is divided into modules, each designed to teach you a specific skill. Let's take a look at the exciting end products you'll be able to create by the time you've completed the course. In this module, we'll use ChatGPT to create basic visuals for our fictitious company, Groom Tech. You'll also learn how to refine these visuals with Adobe AI and enhance them in PowerPoint using effects and transitions. Best of all, this process can serve as a template for showcasing your own products in the future. In the next module, we'll take the fictitious products even further by transforming one product into a 3D model. You'll learn how to use ChatGPT to generate a Python script and how to bring that script to life using Blender. This module will also showcase some free 3D elements and how you can animate them in PowerPoint. After creating some products, we'll move on to designing an interactive pin map of Europe using ChatGPT. Each pin will represent a fictitious store where we'll sell our products. In PowerPoint, we'll enhance the map with clickable elements that reveal hidden layers of text fields for each destination. You'll also learn how to link text to Word documents, creating a powerful, reusable, and easy-to-manage reporting template. Additionally, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to generate VBA code and add a macro button to refresh your connections seamlessly. In this module, you'll further explore the interconnectedness of the Microsoft Power Package. As seen in the previous module, Word documents can be linked to PowerPoint, and the same is true for Excel. However, you can also embed an Excel document directly into PowerPoint, allowing you to create animated charts and diagrams that wouldn't be possible with an external connection, resulting in a seamless, professional presentation that can also be reused as a powerful financial template. In the previous module, I intentionally skipped over the interactive menu, even though it's part of the process. That's because it's not the only type of menu you'll learn to create in this course. Take a look at some of the other menu styles you'll master as we progress. Interactive menus are a game changer for PowerPoint presentations. In this module, you will learn how to make your slides more dynamic and engaging by allowing your audience to navigate seamlessly through the content by clicking on the linked elements. Instead of scrolling slide by slide, you can use menus to jump directly to the sections that matter most, keeping your presentation focused and efficient. And in this module, you'll learn how to create GIFs and icons by adding animations to your vectors. Once complete, you'll use your creations to design a dynamic menu that takes your presentation to the next level. These elements not only enhance visual appeal, but also make your menus more intuitive and interactive. By converting slides into GIFs or designing custom icons, you can guide your audience effortlessly through the presentation while achieving a polished, professional look. Finally, we'll bring everything we've learned together to create animated videos and commercials. Let's take a look at these two examples. In 2020, I founded GroomTech to bring innovative, high-quality grooming solutions to modern men. Focused on efficiency and design, GroomTech quickly became a trusted name in men's grooming products. GroomTech's Beard Moisturizer is specially formulated to hydrate, soften, and nourish your beard, leaving it healthy and manageable. Infused with natural ingredients, it helps reduce irritation and adds a subtle, masculine scent for all-day freshness. GroomTech's beard oil is designed to condition, soften, and add a healthy shine to your beard. Packed with nourishing oils, it keeps your beard looking sharp while moisturizing the skin underneath, reducing itch and irritation. GroomTech's grooming bag offers a sleek, durable design that keeps all your grooming essentials organized. With ample space and a rugged exterior, it's perfect for home or travel, ensuring your tools are always within reach. Now, introducing GroomTech's newest product. The Beard Styling Balm is designed to give your beard the perfect shape and hold. Infused with natural ingredients, it not only styles, but also nourishes, leaving your beard soft and polished all day. The road has been long and challenging, and just like the towering mountains behind me, we have faced many ups and downs. Yet, every rainstorm we endured brought the sun on the horizon, giving the seeds we've planted along the way the freedom to grow.